Today I'm going to unbox this. These are the two of the Supreme Wheaties cereal. One is the yellow one for $6, and the other one is the purple box for $6. And then the third item is the Clayton Patterson Supreme Skull 5-panel hat, black color. Retail price on that is $48. So the total is $60 plus $10 shipping fee, and then $4.20 for the tax. So total for this order is $74.20. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys. Wow, there you go. This one is the yellow camel color box. And this one is the purple. Got the two of the red box logo stickers, so. And this one is the hat. So let's give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Got the Wheaties trademark. Got the nice Supreme red box logo on the front. And here's the barcode. Oh, so this is the front then. And here are some of the nutrition facts. Even has this box tops for education. And this one is the yellow one. So yeah, basically it's the same thing. General Mills. Somehow this one has the Supreme sticker on here, but not the purple one. So I'm not sure if they missed it or what. So I wonder if the yellow one and purple one is just exactly the same cereal or not. Maybe we should go and then open it up and inspect it. I'm pretty sure it should be the same. Alright, let's go and check out this hat. There's this sticker. And Skull's 5-panel. So you got all this skull on the front head, and you got the Supreme Also, the bone right here is broken. And those are stitching right there. And on the top, we got that red. Something new to me. It's like a mesh right here. Somehow this one comes with the 2 tags. And it is made in China. %100% cotton. Alright, we got to open this up and see if the cereals are the same. Wow. $6 for this. I guess I'm just paying for the box. So yeah, it looks like it's the same cereal. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.